Hey, it's Mark A Squared. I just built a new lock board. 10 hooks by 10 rows. That's 100 hooks of locks. My herd at the top. Got some Yales in there. Got all kinds of things in there. But I'll do individual videos later. Modern stuff at the bottom. And the problem is that, oh, hi there, Mickey boy. Problem is that I still have stuff that I have to hang. What I'm thinking is I did want a nice edge. I got a 2-inch edge around the whole thing. But as that chain hangs there, I experimented and hung 2 more hooks on either side. So this row, the top row has 12, and the chain on either side kind of to frame it. But might have to replace that with additional hooks. I think you get like another 24 or something out of it, 20 out of it. We'll see. In any case, what do you think, Mickey? What do you think? Good stuff?